What did Wellesley's diplomacy transform the British Empire in India into? A. British Protectorate in India. B. British Dominion in India. C. British Empire of India. D. British Commonwealth in India. The correct answer is C. British Empire of India. What type of Buddhist missionary did Kanishka send to Tibet? A. Vajrayana. B. Mahayana. C. Theravada. D. Hinayana. The correct answer is B. Mahayana. Based on the text, the Rashtrakutas are associated with which caves? A. Ellora Caves. B. Elephanta Caves. C. Pattadakal Caves. D. Mamallapuram Caves. The correct answer is A. Ellora Caves. Which historical figure is often associated with early alchemical writings? A. Isaac Newton. B. Galileo Galilei. C. Marie Curie. D. Zosimos of Panopolis. The correct answer is D. Zosimos of Panopolis. Which nation developed the atomic bomb? A. Japan. B. China. C. The US. D. India. The correct answer is C. The US. The text mentions information about which kings? A. Chola kings. B. Pandya kings. C. Pallav kings. D. Chera kings. The correct answer is D. Chera kings. Where did Homo sapiens settle after migrating from Eastern Africa? A. Only in Asia. B. Only in Europe. C. In different parts of the world. D. Only in the Americas. The correct answer is C. In different parts of the world. In which centuries did Sufism gain prominence during the reign of the Delhi Sultans? A. 8th and 9th centuries. B. 14th and 15th centuries. C. 10th and 11th centuries. D. 12th and 13th centuries. The correct answer is C. 10th and 11th centuries. From where was sandal imported? A. Eastern Sea. B. Southern Sea. C. Elam. D. Western Ghats. The correct answer is D. Western Ghats. Which concept is defined as Purna Swaraj? A. Economic self-sufficiency. B. Nonviolent resistance. C. Religious harmony. D. Complete independence. The correct answer is D. Complete independence. Where did Qutbuddin Aibak later shift his capital? A. Multan. B. Delhi. C. Ghazni. D. Lahore. The correct answer is B. Delhi. What does the ancient Latin word civis mean? A. City. B. Monument. C. Country. D. River. The correct answer is A. City. Which city did the Byzantine emperors rule from for approximately 1000 years? A. Rome. B. Jerusalem. C. Constantinople. D. Athens. The correct answer is C. Constantinople. What period is characterized by the presence of prominent thinkers and founders of new religions? A. 5th century BC. B. 8th century BC. C. 6th century BC. D. 7th century BC. The correct answer is C. 6th century BC. In 1913, how many of the 10 high schools for girls in Bombay were run by Parsis? A. 8. B10. C5. D2. The correct answer is A8. The Tamil Nadu Archives is described as one of the oldest and largest document repositories in which region of India? A. Northern India. B. Southern India. C. Eastern India. D. Western India. The correct answer is B. Southern India. What was the other name for Mangalam settlements if they included 4 Vedas? A. Chaturvedi Mangalam. B. Veda Mangalam. C. Dharma Mangalam. D. Moksha Mangalam. The correct answer is A. Chaturvedi Mangalam. The manufacture of what was a contravention of the Treaty of Versailles? A. Civilian infrastructure. B. Agricultural goods. C. Armaments and machinery for the military. D. Consumer electronics. The correct answer is C. Armaments and machinery for the military. In what year was Madras established by the British? A. 1639. Born in 1661. Circa 1690. D. 1700. The correct answer is A. 1639. In which modern Indian state was Lothal located? A. Gujarat. B. Punjab. C. Haryana. D. Rajasthan. The correct answer is A. Gujarat. What historical event did Veerapandya Kattabomman famously conduct his fight against? A. The East India Company. B. The Vellore Revolt. C. The Dindigul League. D. The Restoration of the Throne. The correct answer is A. The East India Company. Besides protection, for what other activity did early humans domesticate dogs? A. Farming. B. Gathering. C. Fishing. D. Hunting. The correct answer is D. Hunting. What can the period of the 1980s be considered regarding industrial development? A. A period of industrial recovery. B. A period of significant decline. C. A period of stagnant growth. D. A period of structural retrogression. The correct answer is A. A period of industrial recovery. Where was Vardhamana, the founder of Jainism, born? A. Patliputra, Bihar. B. Pavapuri, Bihar. C. Kundagrama near Vaishali, Bihar. D. Vaishali, Bihar. The correct answer is C. Kundagrama near Vaishali, Bihar. What is the first step to learn about ancient heritage sites using the provided method? A. See collective pictures and videos. B. Scan the QR code. C. Open the browser. D. Double-click or zoom any tagged sites. The correct answer is C. Open the browser. From which city did the Abbasids rule? A. Medina. B. Baghdad. C. Damascus. D. Mecca. The correct answer is B. Baghdad. What city did Kamtari make the capital? A. Osaka. B. Tokyo. C. Nara. D. Kyoto. The correct answer is C. Nara. What city was saved by the Allies pushing back the Germans? A. Berlin. B. London. C. Paris. D. Rome. The correct answer is C. Paris. In which country did Zoroaster gain popularity as a thinker in the 6th century BC? A. China. B. Greece. C. Iran. D. India. The correct answer is C. Iran. How many legendary Myanmars are there? A. 60. B. 63. C. 66. D. 69. The correct answer is B. 63. How did you score?